number 4. 1522 is moving to mat number 4. About 1538, you are moving to mat 8. Now 1538, Chesla and Estrada, you are moving to mat number 8. Sergio Cortez to the head table, please. Sergio Cortez to the head table. About 1541, you are moving to mat number 2. About 1541, Vieira and Turner is going. 1541 is going to mat number 2. About 1519 is also going to mat number 2. About 1519, Archuleta and Howard, you are moving to mat number 2. About 1485, Lopez and Peacock, they were going to mat 2. Lopez and Peacock going to mat 2.
Come on. Fuck.
Sorry, 15